Lampkin Lane. Can't walk through there. Ooh, generator inside the White House. I'm gonna find a locker first.
Nothing on the lockers.
Nope, it's not a dredge. Oh, it's Bird Lady! Let's go, Bird. Oh, she's sending birds towards me.
She is. I got birds.
Alright, well, she's chasing you then, so I'm gonna start working on the generator. Yes, aboard, lady. Well, she knows where you are, because you got the boards. You got the boards. Are you fucking kidding me, my dude? She is right there. Hello. And goodbye to anyone standing in John Cena's way. Good. Because I'm bringing her to you. Come on, bird lady, let's go! Let's go, bird lady. Better finish that. She's still chasing me. I hate this. Alright, she fucked off. I'm gonna do a full lap around the map. Coach says I gotta, and then, hey, there's an invitation by an exit door.
Cool.
You should touch that.
Ugh.
Hey, you need those. It's the last
have,
day.
5, so it doesn't really matter.
Fine. Oh shit, there's Bird Lady. Yeah, go that way. That way. That way. That way. Go.
Running. Where? Oh, I see it.
Oh Jesus.
Oh, it just disappeared.
Oh my God.
It's fine. I'll just do the generator. Jesus fuck.
Why is this one digressing? Regressing, excuse me. I can English good. Uh-oh. My man's got birds. It's like, I can English good.
So good. Oh no. Oh, she's chasing someone. Oh.
Yep, she found the Birdman. They're close to me. Okay. Where's the exit? Get me out.
I fucked up. Goodbye.
Come on, bird lady, let's go. She's catching up. She's catching up. You sent the birds in the wrong direction, ma'am.
I'm cleansing a glowy totem.
Oh! Oh my God! Oh, I pulled the 180 on her! Oh! She missed her swing again! Oh my God! I'm making her so fucking mad, dude!
Glowy totem done.
Dunk it! I'll take a bird hit. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a shit. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a shit. I don't give a fuck. Because if I give a shit, I might just give a fuck. Alright, cool. But I don't give a shit, so I don't give a what the fuck was that?
Yep,
She's damn. She damn. She's pretty.
Bird lady, always pretty.
Oh, big lady. We like tall ladies. Alright, cool.
It's not a sexual thing, it's about power.
Yes. I mean, what?
Alrighty.
Hi, Jake. How are you? We're running this way. Oh, here she comes.
Still no invitation.
Oh, lo, 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 lo. Here she comes. She's chasing. Better take this hit for me, Jake. Good job, Jake.
Way to go, Jake.
And she's chasing Jake. She f***ed off from me. Alright, cool.
One from the team. Oh, jeez. Invitation! Stay there. Yay!
Alright, now we just gotta open the gates.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
Oh, look, invitation. I'll take it.
Oh, Jesus. Hi, Leon.
I'm all sparkly.
So am I.
Alright, Bird Lady is to the left of me, very far away. But she's coming. She just knocked that guy down.
Yep.
So this map is a kind of not okay for Bird Lady because there's multiple levels. So if you can, be on the second floor as much as you can. But there's nothing really we can do about this one because we're on the first floor. Here comes birds.
Here she comes.
I got
don't
the
care.
bird.
We're doing this generator.
I'm sticking it. I'm sticking it. I'm sticking it. I'm
Stick
sticking it.
Stick it. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god.
Alright, check this out. Ready? Birds are gone.
I have birds.
Get in the locker
I'm
then.
going out. I'm going out.
Okay.
Repel.
This man needs to be saved.
I'm getting there.
Oh, you're saving the mans?
I'm trying.
Well, the bird lady's chasing Jake, and he's fucking making her whiff. Oh, never mind.
Nope. Stay over there.
Yes! I got the flashlight save! Let's go!
Nice.
I don't know how I got it, but I got it. So now I'm off. Alright, I'm on the second floor. I don't need this flashlight anymore. I'm gonna put it down. I'm on Overwatch. Alright, I'm feeding you information.
She's going past me. Goodbye.
The other guy got birds.
I'm running the other direction.
We only have 2 more generators to do. PogChamp.
Woo.
Is there a generator in this house?
Oh god, I
Maybe.
think she's following.
We'll probably be on the second floor then. Oh hey! A chest! What's in it? It's a magical, mysterious muscle. Oh, he's not playing Final Fantasy today. He's playing Raft with McConnell and more Fall Guys because he was apparently having fun. Hey, another flashlight.
Oh.
There's not a generator in this house, unfortunately. I'm providing Overwatch. Bird Lady is by a generator, kind of by a, whoever just got hooked. She's coming to me. She's now coming to you guys. I'm gonna go save the guy.
Bird lady. The fuck? I'm literally right here. Alright, well, goodbye.
Hello, good sir. How are you today? If you would kindly follow me, please.
Bird lady. Hi, bird lady. I'm literally out in the open. Watch out. Bird lady. Nice. Dude.
Are we going to... Alright, let's head to second floor and then we can heal. Hey. Hey.
Huh?
I'm yelling at the dude. Where the fuck did he go? My
doesn't-
brother! In Christ!
Oh, I
You
found him.
motherfucker.
He's coming to work on a generator.
Alright. He
I'm
really
doing
wants
it.
that last generator, I guess.
That's fine, whatever. Let's just finish so then I can get this invitation and then I don't care if I die. I haven't been touched this round.
Exactly.
And I've been around her.
Yeah.
Like, I've seen her.
Yeah. She's throwing birds. Is that a 2 space or a 3 space?
2.
Alright, cool. Alright, he's got him. I'll give you moral support. I'm in the window. I'm staring at you. Looks like you're almost done. I'm actually gonna come out and heal.
Done. Let's go.
Hey! My mans need some heals.
No, let's go. Oh, well.
That's his second. He'll be fine.
Here she comes. Hold still for a second.
Yep.
Nope, here she comes. Nope, bye. She's just sending them off in every direction.
Yeah, because she's sending him towards the exit gates, and if it hits him, then she knows where to go find him. So, What's up, Birch Bird Lady? Let's go! Oh, I dunked it on your face. What are you gonna do about it? You gonna do nothing is what you gonna do?
Go, run.
About time, baby! Come on, let's go. Let's dance.
Opening the door.
Exactly. Get the fuck out of here. Let's go, Bird Lady!
Come, baby.
You get out. I don't give a fuck.
I'm opening the door. Hold on. We're getting there. We're getting there. Come on, bird
She's
lady.
got iron grip. There you go. Alright, here she comes towards you. No, I'm on second. But she's sitting on my ass. She wants me to die. So... what we could have is our healthy man come get me. You're healthy too, right? Yeah.
I haven't been hit this whole round by her.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, she's sending fucking... please let this man have borrowed time. Please let this man have borrowed time. Let's go! He doesn't have borrowed time! Yes! Alright, you need to leave. You need to leave. Now. You need to leave. Now. God damn it.
I'm a distraction. It's fine.
No. Well, I mean, yeah, alright. Yeah, so the gates are open. You got your thing.
Yep. That's all that matters.
Everybody a slug. Ayo, what's up?
Oh, get him, get him.
Nope.
Aw, darn.
Leading me away.
I'm slowly trying to crawl. Slowly, but surely.
Oh, let's go! Oh, you missed your swing.
Oh my god!
That's fine.
Go!
You crawl! You crawl!
Oh no, goodbye.
Goodbye.
I cried.
Goodbye.
Well, he did. Alright, let's see if he gets out. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Ring around the rosy, ring around the rosy. She flinging birds. Oh, oh, oh. I don't think he's gonna make it.
Oh,
Nope. There he goes.
Womp womp. Meow?
Hate it.
Yes.